this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a multi-page form in Jotform. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click plus create, select form, choose start from scratch, and then select classic form. Once the form builder opens, click add form element from the left panel. Add the fields you want on the first page of your form, such as full name, email, or any other questions. Next, scroll through the form elements and drag the page break element into your form. Everything above the page break will appear on the first page, while everything below it will appear on the next page. Continue adding fields below the page break for your second page. If you need more pages, simply insert additional page break elements wherever you want the next page to begin. When you're finished, click Preview to test your form. Use the next and back buttons to make sure each page displays correctly and the navigation works as expected. Once you're satisfied with the layout, publish your form and share it with your audience. That's how to create a multi-page form in Jotform. Thanks for watching.